I'm back. I just wanted to say thank you. My first video since my release from the house. At gusto ko talaga magpasalamat sa lahat ng nagbigay ng mahal sa akin. All the people that sent me love and good vibes. Thank you so much. I was overwhelmed. You guys are amazing. Thank you. So more posts to come. Abangan nyo. And I'll talk to you later.
Let me see the dark sides as well as the bright. I'm gonna love you inside out. I'm gonna love you inside out.
Cora, do you miss me?
Siyempre naman.
Ang ganda niya ngayon. Alam mo, yung miss mo dito. Ha? Bakit miss mo? Wala. Ang dalawang... Ang kala mo, bading siya. Ako pala nag-straight. Tangan niya. Ang dami ng mga tao. Bakala ba siya? Bakit
Akala mo lang.
Nagpapanggap lang daw ako, bes!
papanggap ka daw? Paano yan?
Charot lang yun.
Kumain ko